In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a flight using Expedia. Whether you're planning a vacation or a business trip, navigating the world of online booking can sometimes feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I'll guide you through each step to make the process smooth and straightforward. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Expedia's website. Expedia is a popular online travel agency that makes it easy to compare and book flights, hotels, and car rentals all in one place. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The user interface is designed to be intuitive, so you'll find everything you need right at your fingertips. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Flights tab. This is where the journey of booking your trip truly starts. Here, you'll see options to enter your departure city, destination, travel dates, number of passengers, and the travel class you prefer. Take your time to fill out all the required fields accurately. Remember, the more specific you are with your information, the better the search results will be, offering flights that fit your needs seamlessly. Once you've entered all the necessary details, it's time to hit the search button and see what's available. Expedia will quickly compile a list of potential flights, displaying details like departure times, durations, and prices. This gives you a great way to weigh your options. Browse through these results carefully, keeping in mind your budget and schedule preferences. It's always a good idea to compare a few different flights to ensure you're getting the best deal possible. Now, after selecting a flight that matches your criteria, click on it to move on to the booking page. At this stage, you'll be prompted to provide more detailed traveler information. This includes full names as they appear on identification documents, contact information, and any other particulars that may be requested. Double-check your entries to avoid any errors that could complicate your journey later. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, you'll arrive at the checkout page. Here's where things get interesting. If you require additional baggage for your flight, whether you're packing for an extended stay or simply have extra luggage, you can easily add bags here. Simply click on the Add Bags option and specify the number and type of bags you wish to check in. This feature is handy as many airlines charge separate fees for checked luggage, so you can handle it up front. Congratulations, you're almost done. Review all the information you've entered one last time. Make sure you're satisfied with your flight selection, travel dates, and any additional options you've chosen. Once everything looks good, proceed to finalize your booking. And there you have it. Everything is complete and your flight is officially booked. Booking a flight through Expedia is a convenient way to plan your travel without any hassle. With just a few clicks, you can organize your entire trip, leaving you more time to focus on the exciting adventures that await you. Safe travels and enjoy every moment of your journey.